Most people don't even know what a website copywriter is, and the fact that they potentially need to invest in one. Like, that's not even something they're thinking of. They don't even realize that that's an option. So most people approach their website like a billboard. Like, this is us. This is what we do. This is who we can help. That's a great message, but what takes you from like a DIY website to like a more luxury website, a website that feels like, oh my God, I can't help but invest in this person. Like, I want to work with you specifically, is when you treat it more like a conversation. Like, you're just talking to one person on the other side of the screen. So that's what I try to do. When I work with my clients, I send them a pretty lengthy questionnaire with strategic questions developed by me to help myself, get to know these people better. And then I just have a conversation with them. I talk to them a lot about who their ideal client is, and the difference between working with a copywriter and being excited to do that, ready to do that, and not, is your stage of business. So like you were saying before, you were talking about established business owners. So people that they've been doing it for a while and want to level up, like get to the next phase of business. They know that stuff already. They know who their ideal client is. They know what their message is. They know what their story is. They just don't know how to talk about it. And that, to me, is the appropriate time to invest in website copy. Because if you're brand new out the gate and you're still trying to figure out like the zone of genius that you're in and the main services that you're offering and like who is going to be your best audience, it's probably not the right time for you to care about making such a big investment in your business, because you're going to have to redo it in a year. So that's why the people that I work with, the service-based business owners, they work with me on like their second website, their third website. Once they've tested things out and they've seen, okay, these are the people I like to work with. This is what I want to do. How do I convince them that I'm the right person for them? So I try to get the essence out of them by just asking about them, their ideal client, and getting the story. I would say 9 times out of 10, every time I'm on a call with a client, they're like, I wish I could just say this, or like, if only I could just explain it this way. And I'm like, why can't you? There's some weird like preconceived notion that your website has to be this specific thing. If you go on my website right now, I'm swearing, I'm telling you I'm a hoe for italics. Like, I'm talking about things that are so irrelevant, so like, you wouldn't expect to see that on a professional website, and that's why people want to work with me. Like, the number one sentence that converts on my website is, I'm a chocolate addict with no intent on seeking recovery. Like, that has nothing to do with my copywriting skills, like how good I am at marketing. People are like, haha, she's funny. I love eating brownie batter. Like, you know what I mean? They want to work with me, and it's a bonus that I'm also good at this. So that's what I try to do for my clients.